Hey friends, welcome back to the Self-Sufficient Sister. I'm here just at my kitchen table today because it's August. We just started a new month, and that means my essential oil subscription box came from Simply Earth. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see what we have this month. This month their theme is Candle Hero. So we're gonna be making some candles this week, which is cool. Here is a first look, and I did add some extra goodies this month just because I didn't have some of the stuff that I needed to make the recipes. So I'll tell you what doesn't come with the jar, but here's what we have. Our oils this month are Timber. I do have this one in my stock in my other room. It smells pretty good. Citronella. Then we have Cassia. And if I can get it out, Bergamot. Bergamot? I don't know how to say it. Bergamot. And then the first thing I'm seeing in here is a DIY candle kit. So this has some soy wax, which is kind of melted because it is hot here, a cotton wick, and then a wick sticker. So everything you need to make your own all-natural scented candle with essential oils. So this came with the monthly box, and then this came with the monthly box. This is a floating candle wick, so to like go on top of water. That'll be cool. Save those ones for last. It also came with this little stick, which is to set on top of your container to hold the wick in place while your wax is drying. Like this. And then it also came with some beeswax sheets, which these are kind of melted too. It really is so hot here. So hopefully these, when they go back to normal, hopefully they don't stick together, because that would not be good. Anyway, then we've got our stickers in here to label everything that we make, label the oils, the roll-on, the diffuser blend, and then all the different candles that we're gonna make. And then this is the little like brochure to go more in depth about candles. They do have QR codes to give you links to things and to a guide for making candles, so that's pretty helpful. This box was like, I think it's $49 or $48 something, and on one of these cards it will tell me the value of all the stuff in the box today. Some of the extras that I added on were these molds, and these are so small and a lot cute, like a lot smaller than I thought they were, but these are like little leaf molds. You can kind of see the leaf, to make like wax melts, because I had a recipe from last month that I didn't end up making because I didn't have like a mold like this. So, and then I also ordered some 1 ounce jars because for the candles this month they are needing 1 ounce jars, and I didn't have any, so I just thought I'd buy them from the same place to make it easier on myself, and I got to, you know, get free shipping on it, so that was nice. All right, let's look at what our recipes are this month. Got some great colors on these cards. So for our roll-on, it's called the Fresh Escape Roll-On, and it's to help uplift your mood. On the back of this one just has a note from Katie, who is the owner and an aromatherapist. Then we also have Timber and Citrus Bliss wax melts. So this is another reason. Oh, this is why I needed the mold. Okay. On the back of this recipe, it goes through each oil and tells you the dilution rate, tells you the uses, tells you if it's kid safe, pregnancy safe, cat safe, and dog safe. And also this box is a value of over $190. So I paid $49 something and I got $190 worth of stuff. So that's pretty cool. That's actually like amazing. Let's see. So bergamot, it uplifts, deodorizes, and calms. Timber promotes rejuvenation. Citronella energizes, deters insects, and uplifts. And then cassia uplifts, cleans, promotes circulation. Oh, these also tell you if it's kid safe, so like for what ages. So it'll say like 2+, 10+, tell you ages that it would be good for to use on. It's just so you're safe with these oils, because you don't want to just use oils anytime, anywhere, on anyone or anything. The diffuser blend is called the Sunset Trail Diffuser Blend. That sounds nice. On the back of this card, it gives us a sneak peek of next month. And it looks like we're gonna be getting an oil called Resilience. Cajeput or Cajeput? I don't know how to say it. Cajeput, not sure. We're getting balsam fir and peppermint. I'm excited for that. Cool. All right, great. We'll need some extra things for that next month. We're gonna make a honeyed haven candle, a cozy nook candle, and then patio breeze citronella candle. And all of these have just recipes on the back, or continuation of the recipe on the back of them. So cool. I'm really excited to make these candles, because I really do like burning candles, but I don't like the ingredients that are used in candles, like from Bath and Body Works. I used to burn those candles a lot, but just like from my reading and stuff, they're just not great things to burn and to, you know, breathe in. So I'm excited to like make my own candles, so that's kind of cool. I do want to note on the back of the one that says sneak peek for next month, it tells you some things that you might want to buy. And so that's why I added some things to this box, because some of the things you can buy just from them, from Simply Earth, to make it a little easier, so it all just comes in one box. So I really like that, and I'm excited to make another video, show you guys making these candles. It's going to be a lot of fun, and if you'd like to join me making your own stuff, you can subscribe on Simply Earth, and if you use my code HOMEFREE, you'll get a $45 gift card to spend on your next purchase. So that's pretty cool, that they'll give you a $45 gift card. So go ahead and do that. I'll have a link, and I'll remind you of the code down in the description. Thanks for watching today, and I'm excited to start making candles this month. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.